Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
It's Thomas here.
Hi, this is Walter.
Oh, I need to, I think we've got some feedback here.
Yeah.
Just, okay, I think we managed to fix the feedback.
Okay.
All right. I'm aiming for solving the last part of the homework for the happy path for sorting movies.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just wondering, how far have you come?
Up till now, I have done by myself part 2.1. I'm working on 2.2, but I think it's not really a problem to, for this occasion, go to part 3, just to do pair programming.
Yeah, that's my goal, to get a lesson with some pair programming.
Is your goal also to submit it for a grade, you know?
Yes, it is.
Practice? What do you...
It's for submitting it.
Okay.
So I can share the link so that you have it.
Okay, C90. Other broadcasting.
Yep.
Yeah.
And there's the link.
Okay.
And what's your C9?
My
username?
C9 is right here. I put it here. That's my username in C9.
Okay. Then I'll just add you. Okay.
Then I will.
There you go.
Enter the address, and that will be. Could you copy paste that? The URI. Could you copy paste that in the chat?
My C9 URI.
Yes.
Will do. Here it is.
Thank you.
Where are you from, Walter?
I'm from Netherlands.
Netherlands. I'm from Norway.
Okay.
On vacation in Denmark right now.
Programming in your location.
Yeah, how bad is that?
Yeah. You have a good view while you are programming.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, yeah.
You're in?
I'm in.
Great. Okay. Starting with the short movie It's no, it's the yeah, the sort movie list feature. This one.
Yes. So
Yeah, yeah, and I've started with the scenario where we are going to sort the movies alphabetically, and it already said when I follow movie title.
Yeah.
And just okay, just remove this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'm thinking just to be sure that the page has content, we must make sure that the ratings have been, say all ratings have been checked, just so we are sure that we have all movies there. So I just add here when I check all things, and I replace the next when with an and I follow movie title. Then I should be on the Rotten Potatoes homepage. Page. And I should see Aladdin 4 Terminator. Just to be on the same page, we could just switch to the assignment text.
Okay.
Yeah, quite a step definition that matches steps such as then I should see Aladdin before Amelie, as it says. But there were a hint further. Because they're referencing further up here. They're referencing a section in the book.
Where do you read?
Here. It's not directly related, but I opened that chapter in the book.
Which one?
Section 7.9 in the ESAS book, and fortunately they had some logic also as an example for sorting.
Yes.
Which I did take a look on, and I much, to be honest, copied that into the movies, the movie steps RB file.
Yeah.
Which is this section here. This is taken from the book.
I cannot see your cursor. So
okay, can you see where underneath I put a debugger into that section?
Yes, I see.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Because I haven't quite figured out how it really works, so I found it a good idea to place a debugger there. I haven't tested it yet, so if you now run, we have fulfilled the scenario here. Sort movies alphabetically. So we could just try to run it. And I saved it. And we could specify that we only want to run the scenario on line 24. I put the 24 after there. And if I run it, it did not hit the debugger. It says the step is undefined.
Yes, you made a typo. The typo is SHOULD.
20.
Just in the features file. In the features file, sort movie feature. There's
Yeah. It should say it's missing an U.
Yeah, it's missing U.
Thanks. Then we'll try again. Okay.
Expect. Undefined method expect. In the steps.
Yes, on line 233. No, what did it say?
The web steps. That's the other steps file.
Oh, it fails in the web steps file. Okay, just a question. The web steps compared to the movie steps.
Yeah.
Because I was confused when I see in the header of the web steps file.
In the header of the web steps file?
It says you should delete this file.
Yeah, that means that these are beginning steps, like training steps. If you begin with Cucumber, you can use this file to set up the testing. So these are basic steps. And once you have your own steps, then you can delete this file. But deleting this file now is too early. That's not too early.
Yeah, I would believe so, because it seems like it's needed. I tried that and nothing worked, so I replaced it.
It's more or less kind of a standard library at the moment.
But it fails here on line 233.
Yeah, I think that is related to some other causes.
So I'm just wondering.
I think
yeah, I can. I should be able to just, because it has the same header, I believe, as in the movie steps. No. Then I should see. Then I should be on.
should be on the...
It matches this one in the...
It matches a different one than we expected.
Then I should be in Rotten Potatoes homepage.
Maybe that one you can just delete.
Yeah, I believe I can...
Because there's in the background already and I am on the Rotten Potatoes homepage. So
yeah,
that's already
yeah. So I should be able to omit that one.
Yeah.
So I just like that. Run it again, and let's see.
I'm not sure what you have deleted.
In the web steps file, I just commented out in the web steps.
Yeah.
But now it says undefined.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think an alternative solution can be that you leave it like it is, so you re-comment it.
Yeah, and I redirect maybe.
I mean, or uncomment it.
Yep.
And then in the file, sort movie filter.
Here?
In the scenario. In the scenario?
Yep.
Then there's, you see the background above it. There is line 2, and I am on the Rotten Potatoes.
Yeah. It already says.
That means I think line 27 can be.
Yeah, I don't need it.
Yeah.
And it should be a then here. Then I should see. Because that should also match.
Oh, yes, true.
This one, yeah, of course. Thanks.
Okay. Next one. Unimplemented. In the step definition, movie steps.
Okay, so now we're here.
Yes.
And
we can use
this one.
The book example.
Yeah, that's what I actually did. Then I should see before this parenthesis. There was something more on. No?
No, that's not necessary.
No.
It's just the line
no, it should. Then I should land before Terminator.
In the book, there's the third variable, but it's not in the assignment.
The path. Oh no. Yeah. I see what you mean. In the regular expression there is a. Okay, so.
I would suggest looking at part 3 in the assignment.
Yep.
And then there's the last line, the last sentence. Create a step definition that matches a step, such as then I should see Aladdin before Emily.
Yeah.
So that confirms that there is no third variable. There's no on a path or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
And then in the book, with the example in figure 7.11, there is the whole example in which there is a certain path, but that path can be omitted. But the other part of it, the regular expression and expect to match, that can be useful.
Because you're in section 7.
7.9, figure 7.11. It's section 7.
I have the Kindle version of the.
Yeah, the Kindle version.
And you're referencing the code from paste bin.
No,
or,
it's a gist link. Shall I give you the link or shall I copy it?
Yeah, you could.
Like.
But probably this would be, maybe we could switch a bit.
Oh, switch roles?
Yeah.
Right.
Because I'm a bit stuck here. I think it would be better because instead of copying the link, you have the code here.
Yeah, okay. We can swap roles then.
Yeah. I need to take just 1 minute and I'll be back. Is that okay?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm back. Just a quick question. Do you know how we can see the timings when we're switching? Okay, I can just write switched.
Yeah, if you write down the time,
yeah.
and later on you can infer how it is in the what time index it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So now I'm driving, and
yeah.
I will show the idea that I have now. What I think is can be useful. I just copied the code from the book.
Yep.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, pleasure.
I hope that was not too loud in the microphone.
It's okay.
This code I've copied, and I go to movie steps definitions.
Yep.
And line 25.
There we are. Yep.
You see the cursor and you see.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, okay. So this is that code from there, from the book. And this first part,
Yeah.
this is not relevant to us now.
No, it's not relevant because that's in the background that we have added the movies.
Second is relevant.
Yeah, that's the one, the same that I was looking at.
Yeah. This is same. This, in our case, there's one round bracket, parentheses, and two. So these
Yes.
two means that there will be two variables, 1 and 2, string 1 and string 2.
Mm.
Movie 1, movie 2. And then given I am, we don't need that. But this part, something we will so I comment this out now, okay?
Yeah.
We can maybe refactor getting it back, but now taking the example from the book. So what happens, line 26, is the regular expression is set up as assigned, and it's movie 1 and movie 2.
Yeah.
And this means that, yeah, there's in the whole book, I mean, sorry, not in the book, I mean in the page that is, the page that is coming up, the page that is loaded. There is.
Yeah, because how does it match? I would believe that this matches. I have the site up here.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen now?
I look at Google. Yes, I see.
Yeah, there you have the from an earlier assignment.
Yeah.
And you have the page.
Yeah.
And it's lines starting with the movie title.
Yeah.
And if you sort it, we expect that Aladdin should come before Terminator. And the regular expression here, what it does, there was a comment here from the book, it matches across new lines. So it, if I understand it correctly, it says it's a regular expression saying that Aladdin should, since it matches a new line,
well,
is it matching the first word?
Well, it means that, do you know the regular expression, the addition of the letter I? Suppose you said you have a regular expression, and after the second slash, you have an I. I type it, then you maybe recognize it. Type it here. Suppose regular is like this.
Where are you now in the
movie? Movie
here,
text.
yeah.
So suppose you have this regular expression.
Yeah.
And or like this. Then what happens is Aladdin, this will match, and this will also match, and this will also match. This too. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That this is an case insensitive marker, and if you omit this, then this does not match. And it only matches when it is exactly the same.
Yeah.
Well, that M here, this M, this is similar. It modifies the regular expression so that the expression can extend across new lines. So it means that suppose you have this new line.
Yeah, of course. So it sees the text as just one line of text, and in that text we are supposed to find that in before.
Yeah, but there may be white space in between, and this is why this will match.
One
will not match.
Additional question then is, will it only do the regular expression amongst movie titles? Because again, on the
I look at the Hangout and I see. Do you want to show me something?
Yeah, I'm showing the how the page looks again, because we are concatenating.
Yeah.
/m are concatenating. My assumption is a concatenation. It's the movie title as a long string.
Yeah.
And we expect to find in that string Aladdin before, but we need to make sure. I assume that we are only having a string containing elements of movie titles, nothing else.
Can you have a look at the page source in this on the web page, the HTML, the page source?
Yeah. How do we do that in Chrome again?
In Chrome, I don't know.
More tools, developer tools.
Yeah.
Tools.
View in English. View developer view source can be.
And how?
Do you use Alt Command U. Alt Command U. I'll type it in the chat. Group chat, the Hangout chat.
Oh, okay.
Can try that.
Okay. All right. Back to the page. Right. Here it is.
Yes.
So
if you scroll down.
CMD.
Yeah, and you can see Aladdin, and then there's many text.
Yeah.
And then there's eventually that other movie.
Mm.
So what happens is that the regular expression takes the whole page, and then it sees wherever is Aladdin, it recognizes and it looks for.
Yeah, and of course it's an exact match, so it doesn't matter whatever text we have in addition.
It doesn't matter what is in between because there's the dot star. And the star means any amount, 0 or more, of any characters.
Yes. Clarifying.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So the book example is perfect. I think it's try out. I suggest we can just see what happens if we get it do the cucumber.
Yeah, well, we have the regex, and we have. Do we have everything we need here? It seems like there are something wrong here with the comments, or okay, we'll just try. We are still on step 20, on line 24, so
Okay.
line 27 in
Not yet, huh? Expected alone. So the page body is loaded properly. The whole HTML is there. So we just see a copy of the HTML of the page, and we see that it should match. And what is exactly the error code or the error?
but if we place a debugger here now,
Okay.
because it fails on 27.
Let's swap roles, and you can drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I just put the debugger here, so it should stop there, I believe.
Maybe I don't know if it works with debugger in Cucumber.
There it is.
It does. Yeah, it's good. Still green. And now?
So
Now can you enter regex and match?
so if I do nearest match across, so I should be able to just write the regex that we expect. I'm not sure what I'm really doing here, but I should probably have written the same as it says here and hard-coded, or should I? Because if I just enter next now, next step.
Yeah. Then we go to the next line. Yes.
And next.
And then it will raise an exception somehow. And now it's in the cucumber, in that cucumber method.
Yeah.
There's not so much to see. Maybe you can type page.body and see what it looks like.
Yeah, sounds good.
It's still remembered. Maybe it's not. Yeah, but it's still there. So this should match the regular expression.
It should.
It's one string. do we see Aladdin there?
But I should be able to say movie 1. Ah, there it is.
What do you see?
It's because I should see the content, because we should have movie 1, movie 2.
Yes, it doesn't matter. They are local variables. They are in the block, so they are not in memory after the block. So it is already finished. The movie 1 and 2, they're not anymore in memory. But
okay.
That doesn't matter. But what I'm a little bit surprised.
But why does it matter? Since we are doing, we are setting the regex value.
Yeah.
And we are using movie 1 and movie 2 in the regular expression.
Yeah. So at that moment, the regular expression is defined. Then after that, the regular expression is used in that line 27, and then a certain something is raised, an error is raised, and then they just leave.
Because okay.
They're local.
Because we moved we moved after that step, so it's
we moved
out of memory.
Yes.
Okay.
We moved out of the block.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fine. But
I have an additional question. One other thing I've been, it's not directly related, but it keeps me wondering, because I was expecting that I here should be able to do active record commands as well. If I want to say count how many movies there are in the database, for instance, saying this.
Access the database from here.
It doesn't work. But this is off topic, but I don't quite understand why, because say I'm accessing the console. And I'm not in the console.
Yeah.
And it takes a while. And if I do the same thing here, movie all size, right? And that I should get the exact same result when doing the query here.
Yeah, I have no answer to that.
Okay, so I don't think we should focus further on that problem.
Okay.
Just yet I've posted it on the discussion forum on the edX site. So hopefully someone will fetch it and answer it. But back to where we are now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I look at the terminal, the HTML that is a result of you typing page.body. And so do you see all those HTML codes?
Yeah, are you in the debugger now?
Yes, in the debugger, in the terminal. And do you see the HTML code?
Yeah, it
funny
seems like it's having only the headers.
Yeah, it's only the headers. There's no movies.
We are.
Suppose just for fun.
Because it's on the first line, and we are. Our assumption is that we are.
It's the whole page. It's
Yes.
the whole page, and the page does not contain movies. And maybe,
No.
are you sure that there? Oh yeah, wait a minute. There is in the test environment, there is a creating of movies for test purposes, and after that, there's a rollback, so that every time you test, you don't add movies again and again, but uh, uh, you actually create them, but then you roll it. It is rolled back. Maybe something like that is happening now.
Yeah, that would probably answer both questions.
But
Because this one here is for me quite strange.
could you?
And if you say that there are a command that, where was that command again? That erases.
That what?
You said that there was a command for testing purposes that it erased the contents of the database.
No, yeah, it rolls back the database. But I think usually that is only happening after all the tests are finished. So I don't understand why it would happen in the middle of a test like now. But there's another thing. Do you know in sort movie, in that file, sort movies filter feature?
Yeah.
There's in the scenario when I check all ratings in line 25.
Yes.
Can you comment that out? And then after that, just when I follow movie title instead of and. So in line 26, replace
and
to when. Yeah. Because that is how the assignment was set up. I wonder if you now save the file and how to say, save it and do cucumber again.
Yeah, then I probably will need to okay.
Yeah,
not run that. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Going back here, just exit here, and then I will need to run, not.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, all tests.
Without further. Yeah, and maybe remove or comment out that movie steps debugger line 25.
Yeah.
For the moment.
Yeah. Like this.
Yeah, when you save it to cucumber, I wonder what happens. Does it make a difference? What happens?
Oh. Seems like I'm not able to scroll in the window here. If I do.
Yeah. So there is no movies in the HTML. This is why there's no match.
Yeah.
And there's no match, and therefore it gets red all
Hmm.
So how can it be that there is no movies? This,
The movies should be.
Do you have any working steps? I mean, working scenarios. Um, well, yes, it says given the following movies exist, and I am on the page, and I follow movie title. And I should see 11 for channel. And it's not on the page. I don't understand how.
Seems like there are something else wrong here. Going back to this again. Given the following movie exists.
Did you have a filter movie? The previous, like part 2. Did that work?
Yeah, we could run it. Oh. Oh.
There it is.
Have you resized the windows or something like that? Because there seems to be something odd with the C9 setup, because I'm not able to scroll in the terminal window.
Oh.
You haven't resized it or anything like that?
I am scrolling in the window to look up and down.
Oh, okay. It's probably because you have.
Maybe
then I need to see in the Hangout instead. If you. How does it work if you share the screen? No, because I can't see you scrolling.
Yeah, all the scenarios passed, all the times passed. That's good.
And the change we did was in the sort.
Yeah.
Sort movie list feature.
Maybe when I follow movie title, is that that's correct?
So why doesn't it contain anything?
Oh, just for my understanding, I think there's something. You see, if we have a look at movie steps, line 3. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this is something that you have edited in part 1 or 2, right?
Yes, that's where I'm adding the movies to the database.
Yeah. Now this one, there might be something going on here.
Yeah, yeah. It assume it seems like it's very strange. I found when running the console, I can find all the movies in the database.
Yeah.
But have you done this in another way?
I did not put the condition there. I have just put movie.create there and no condition.
So if I remove this,
Yeah.
if I just
Yeah, that's my suggestion. To remove that. Yeah, comment it out. Before the if, yeah. And the end of it. Yeah.
yeah, so that's the only thing that you do.
Yeah. Then,
Okay, yeah, then we'll try.
and then there's no need to do a bang there. The create is sufficient, and there's no need for an additional exclamation mark. I think you can let the exclamation mark remove the exclamation mark.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
So if you now save and do cucumber for part 2. So the part that should have been finished, which should then result in only green passing of text. Then after that we can look if we can do part 3 too. Yeah.
I'll just try one thing here. I just need to. This.
It's not 0 now.
Thank you.
something changed.
Yes.
But only one movie is not so much.
No, but the reason why is it's in the first iteration, so that's
Oh
correct.
yeah. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So if I had put it here, I would have 20.
After one, yeah. Okay, so maybe this was
Yeah.
was an obstacle. Yeah.
I fooled myself here to believe that I had content in the database, but I hadn't. So.
Okay, so.
Okay. Yeah.
You can continue out of the debugger and then have a look at.
If we are lucky now.
If part 2 gives all green results,
yeah.
and then after that, if part 3 gives more green than we have. If you can press, oh, okay, no problem. You can press the letter C too, that continues.
Yeah.
Overlaps. Okay, yes, good.
Yes. Then I believe, I hope that we could do sort, and which should have content in the on the page. So,
yes.
Because we are given that I've added
Okay.
what? Here.
Yeah.
It was one step ahead of us. I shouldn't have been there yet. So, okay, try again. Here. Hey. Okay. Then it did.
Yes.
But I need to understand it, so I need to go back to the movie steps and the logic.
Okay.
When I follow movie title, then I should see. Where were we?
It's defined in the movie steps, isn't it?
Yeah, and then I should see Aladdin before Terminator. Here, then I should see, yes. So, yeah, we removed the debugger here. So if I put the debugger here again, like this, and I run it again, we could have a look at the page body.
Okay.
Yes. You see that?
Yes.
There it is.
There it is.
Thank you. So the problem I had, it wasn't off topic. It was definitely on topic.
Right. Yes, that the topic was.
Yeah, because I have been struggling with that one, and it realized it came true now that there were issue there.
Yeah, your intuition was right.
So then I've managed to solve two things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And I've learned that the debugger is also taking these changes, and it's still very useful.
Yeah, it is. That was a recommendation video from him. Is it Sam or?
Oh, it's St. Joseph, the professor?
Yeah, him having those additional videos.
Yes, okay.
So it was, I think it was the first video on this course where he was talking warmly about using the debugger.
Yeah.
Instead of putting puts and everything else in
I used it, but I didn't know it was useful with Cucumber too. And
yeah, I was kind of. I was just annoyed that when I went into the Rails console, I could get to what I assumed from the database, but when in the debugger I believe that there was something else wrong. Okay.
Sorry, there's fire.
What's happening?
It's just an alarm, a fire truck coming.
But then I believe we can remove everything above here, including the debugger. And this is what we need here. And again, I believe
yeah, you know, Thomas,
yeah,
there's something, there's another event coming too with homework 4, and I told somebody I would join that.
yeah, okay, but great. I think the next part is just do the changes in the it's just a new scenario, and I think the logic should be the same. So I think we have solved the last part. So I'm very happy, and good luck with your next session, and a great thanks.
Thank you for this pair programming session, and it's good to have things going, and I hope everything goes well.
Yeah, same to you. All right. Thanks.
Thank you. It's been nice working with you.
Yeah, same to you. Bye.
Goodbye.